Hello my dear beloved children. 88 The Lion's Gate is open, dear friends. Now you and I are in the powerful energy information waves of the annual portal of the Lion's Gate. This portal opens as much as possible on August 8th. The Lion's Gate is considered a connecting link between the spiritual and material worlds. The codes of light that come to Earth at this time are encrypted information energy messages of the universe, and it is vitally important for each person in full to get these codes to evolve. Now we are going through the last stage of transformation, which will basically be completed in 2021. During this time you will fully activate the highest program of our incarnation on this planet, and at these times in this cycle, the sacred union of body, soul, and spirit will fully manifest. When this ends, you will become realizing oneself as a spirit embodied in physical form and living according to the laws of the Creator, according to the laws of creativity and love. There will come a time of great inner peace and harmony that will gradually begin to be reflected in the external world as more and more masters of light complete this process. All of you will move forward on your journey, creating only abundance of peace and joy in your reality on the new earth. We have already begun to live in a different space, which was officially confirmed by all the leading scientific laboratories of the planet Earth. The radius of the hydrogen atom has decreased, and this entails global changes in absolutely everything, because the proton enters into the structure of matter, not only of man and the planet but also the cosmos, which is invisible to the eye. The destruction of the old pattern of energy and the creation of new stem cells are currently already focused on the creation of basic complexes of intelligent human behavior, high-frequency complexes of chemistry and physics and other areas of scientific knowledge that are fused in a person begin to actively manifest their higher divine plans. The energy census passes through all cells, organs, and the whole body. This is how the time of unconsciousness ends, passing into the era of conscious and intelligent behavior. Electromagnetic fields coming from the galactic center change planetary biochemistry. Our genes change in a constantly changing electromagnetic environment. DNA molecules work as conductors through which information from higher dimensions is loaded in our physical vessel. This is a multidimensional structure, and it obeys universal laws. In every cell of your body there is a record of the entire earthly history, of the entire history of the universe. All this is encoded in your DNA, slumbers and awaits your attention. Tune into your essence to find out the truth of your being. From August 8th to 12th, the ideal time to activate the elements of the fire of the earth, air, and living water in your body to reveal the plan of your soul. We are in the process of restructuring our matter of our physical bodies. Our cells is not a simple process, so now many people feel tired and broken by the energies of high vibrations. Waves pass through the body and weakness and pain in the muscles may appear, so wilty the body adapts to new energies. Give yourself time to rest. Stay in nature, in an open space illuminated by light, and fill it with light. Merge in harmony with nature. This will allow you to harmonize your structure. Imagine how streams of white and golden energy pass through your body, burning on its way all the dark clots formed by your unharmonious thoughts. Imagine how light streams of energy freely pass through the whole body and are transmitted to the earth. Communicate more with the element of water. Swim in reservoirs. Take a bath or a cool shower. This will help harmonize the energies and balance. The verses during this period: do not waste energy and time. Do not be distracted by negativity and low frequency energies, and focus your attention on forming new version of yourself. Your new habits, character traits form the image you want to see yourself. Imagining yourself in this image, now all energies help us and inspire us to launch long-planned projects, to take up new activities or start doing what you did not dare to start. Therefore, for those who cannot start to act now, the Art of Acting course is very relevant now. Focus your energy and attention on the internal processes and the need to start a new cycle of personal creation, balance, and integrate the incoming energy in the physical body and in the light body. Focus on the higher consciousness of the highest wisdom, on what you want to create for yourself and for the earth. And for this I invite everyone to take part in the planetary work in August. at the appropriate time for yourself. By doing this you will not only preserve your health, but also make your contribution ascension of the earth. Always remember who you are and that you came to earth to create and experience the spirit embodied in matter. No matter what real emotional storms rage around you, keep your peace of mind and stay grounded. Remember that as an embodied spirit you live from the inside to the outside and not from the outside to the inside. This means that regardless of the external dramas, there is a place of peace and safety within you, abundance and love. Do not give your power to the drama of fear and lack, but simply focus on what you want to create and experience on earth. Dear subscribers of the world, repair your DNA. If working on yourself creates you difficulty, we invite you to learn about yourself and your power from Abundance Handbook. You will find there healing guides that will help you figure out how to work with energies. We'll give you tools and keys. How quickly go from 3-dimensional reality to 5th dimension of consciousness. Link to Abundance Handbook you will find under this video. Only love.